Casey Industrial began as an appliance shop in Albany, Oregon in 1947. It wasn't long before Casey Industrial made an impact in the forest products industry by resolving complications that would arise in nearby sawmills. Casey Industrial's ability to undertake the growing needs and challenges within the forest products industry led to the installation of the Duraflake plant, North America's first particle board line in 1960, and subsequently the majority of board plants in the U.S., totaling over 100 board plants. Casey Industrial continues to lend their expertise in the forest products industry, nationally and internationally. The Forest Products Division continued to evolve throughout the 60s and 70s and implemented their innovative approach to projects beyond the forest products market.
In the 90s, the wood products industry, the composite panel industry was a more or less mature industry here in the United States. And so we started looking around to see what were our core competencies, what were the things that we did really, really well. And working together as a group, what we determined was that we do fast-track industrial projects in semi-remote locations.
Casey Industrial's expertise as a multi-craft specialty contractor allowed them to apply their ingenuity to the power industry in 1998. Today, Casey Industrial continues to deliver fast-track, innovative solutions to the forest products, power, and industrial processes industries. This is accomplished through self-performing quality work safely while minimizing risk in logistically difficult locations.
From a grassroots standpoint, we do it from the ground, through the foundations, the structural steel, mechanical, electrical, we do it all. And we also assist in startup. We have the ability to help the client get their plant up and running.
Project management, strategic resources, and self-performance of all major craft trades plays a vital role in successfully completing difficult tasks with aggressive schedules.
We think Casey's involvement is extremely important because we think the longer we touch a project, the better the outcome is going to be. And that could be seen as arrogant, but we think the better understanding, the more involved we are, the better end product that the client is going to get. When you have different people moving in and out, it can create problems with information flow, and by bringing us on board and having us take the lead through the whole process, we guarantee that the end result is exactly what a client needs and wants.
We're can-do people is what we are. We're people that commit to difficult schedules, to difficult projects, and then we get them done. We have a can-do attitude.
This can-do approach spreads company-wide, and when combined with insightful project management, innovative solutions, and a skilled workforce, leads to highly successful projects.
The industry standard for a successful project is on time, under budget, and safe. At Casey, we don't think that's the three things that make a successful project. For us, a project is only successful if we do those three things and then have a happy, satisfied client at the end of the project.
Honesty, transparency, and effective communication are imperative to building a strong working relationship with any client. Casey Industrial understands the importance of an open line of communication between every individual involved in the project.
We realize that the decisions that we make, both internally and externally for our customer, have people involved, that there's a people component, that things aren't always a financial decision, and they're not always a building the company decision, but that when we make a decision that it affects people. And so what we ask our people to do is to consider how it affects people when they make that decision, because people matter.
Integrity is a core value that is ingrained in the company culture. This philosophy touches all aspects of their daily lives.
Doing the right thing is, a lot of times, it's its only reward. That there's times when you're going to have to do the right thing and it's going to be really hard to do, and we ask that our people do that. We ask that they do that hard thing, that they make a decision that's right for all that are involved in it, right for Casey, that's the right decision. We all know what that is on the inside. Make that decision, and then we hold each other accountable to doing that.
Casey Industrial also has a unique view on safety within the Casey community, in that when asked who is responsible for safety, any individual at Casey Industrial will respond, "I am responsible." This is a self-empowering declaration that does not simply pass off authority to ensure a safe work environment.
The importance of safety on a project is first and foremost. Safety is the building foundation for which we operate. Without our safety program and our safety culture, everything else that we do would be just a futile effort.
Compromising safety to complete projects on time is not work done well or correctly. Casey Industrial operates on well-executed planning and identifying the complexities within a project.
Casey Industrial has a tagline of built on ingenuity. What that means to me is we're a bunch of problem solvers. We like to attack the difficult project and finish it successfully.
We've actually had some of our innovative ideas here at Casey adopted by the Department of Energy and become standard practice for their construction. So we're very proud of that. But for me, it means thinking out of the box, and no idea is a bad idea. We look at them, listen to them, and where we can, we implement them.
Ingenuity and expertise are the catalyst behind successful Casey Industrial projects, and this innovative dexterity will remain with the company as it has since 1947, and will continue as changes in markets and technology emerge.
Because we're an enduring organization, we like to bring a lot of new in, and we're going to be out seizing the opportunities that having sharp, aggressive young people brings to an organization. We're going to be out and we're going to be capitalizing on those opportunities and making a difference for our customers.
Casey Industrial understands the challenges in constructing an industrial project. These challenges drive our ingenuity in project development, self-performed multi-craft construction, and facility support. Casey Industrial, built on ingenuity.